Noah, where are you? You promised you'd be here by 6. It's already 8:17. He's probably planning another surprise. An unknown number? Hello? Am I speaking with Emma Brooks? My name is Sophia Reed. Noah asked me to call you. Could you come over as soon as you can? Noah, please be okay. Noah, I was so worried about you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, for what?
I've been hiding something from you.
Daddy! Are you the lady Daddy cries about?
Who are you? Who is she?
Daddy, why is she crying?
Emma, please, let me explain.
Explain what? We're supposed to get married. So tell me, who is she?
Who is she?
5 years. Was everything a lie?
No, nothing between us was a lie. Because...
Who is outside? What are you hiding from me? Why is everyone acting like I'm the only one who doesn't know what's happening? Why are you stopping me?
Please don't.
Whoever is outside, they're the reason you've been lying to me.
I never wanted you to find out like this.
Then tell me the truth. Who is outside? What's this?
Don't open it.
Now you're afraid of a letter? Can't be true. Tell me I'm wrong.
Emma,
Tell me that picture means nothing.
I can't.
Who is she? You promised we'd never keep secrets.
I wanted to protect you.
By lying to me? By lying to me?
Emma, don't open it.
Why are you scared?
Emma, don't open it!
Why won't you let me see what's inside?
Because once you do, nothing will ever be the same.
I've spent days searching for the truth. I'm not walking away now. Whatever is inside this box, I deserve to know.
Please, listen to me. If you open that box, our lives will never be the same.
You said you loved me. Love doesn't hide behind secrets. I'm tired of living inside your silence.
Auntie Emma, please don't cry.
I'm trying not to.
There are some truths that change people forever.
Then let the truth change me. No, this isn't possible. Tell me this isn't real.
I wanted to tell you, I was just too late.
You chose silence every single time. So this is what you've been hiding. I don't even know who you are anymore.
You know the man I became. You just don't know the man I used to be.
Someone has been watching us from the very beginning.
No.
This message wasn't sent by accident. Someone knows everything. Who are they, Noah?
I don't know who's doing this, but they've been following us for a long time.
Then why keep it from me? First is the photograph, then the envelope. None of this happened by chance.
I should have trusted you. Every lie I told was meant to protect someone.
Sometimes the truth protects people better. Noah, what next truth is at home?
No.
What have you been hiding there? This house holds more secrets than memories.
Emma, please.
Not this time. It feels like someone was waiting for us.
I never wanted you to come back here like this.
Why would anyone hide a picture?
Leave it.
No. This was here all along. You looked at this every day.
I was afraid of losing you.
You started losing me the day you stopped telling the truth. What's inside?
Please, don't.
Not again.
Daddy told me to keep it safe.
Safe from who?
Once you open it, everything changes.
You never opened these.
I couldn't.
These letters, they were never meant to stay hidden. This letter has been hidden for years. I'm finally gonna know why.
Please read every word before you judge me.
She wrote this to you. She begged you to forgive her. Why didn't you ever read it?
I thought she abandoned us. I never knew the truth until it was too late.
You've been carrying this pain alone. But why keep it from me?
I was ashamed.
Daddy, are you crying because you miss Mommy?
Every single day.
There's another letter.
Don't read that one.
Why not? She knew something was going to happen. Noah, what aren't you telling me? Another message?
No, not again.
They know we're here. They're watching this house.
We have to leave, right now.
Who could know we're here?
Whoever it is, don't open the door.
They're still there.
Don't answer it.
What if they already know we're inside?
Please, don't open that door.
You can't keep hiding forever. If the truth is outside, I'm ready to face it. There's no one here.
That's impossible.
Another envelope.
I know that handwriting.
Whose is it? You recognized it. Tell me whose handwriting this is.
I prayed I'd never see it again.
This necklace, who did it belong to?
Lily's mother.
Then she's connected to all of this.
More than you know.
Start telling me everything.
Everything started 6 years ago, the day I made the biggest mistake of my life.
I'm listening. Ask Noah what really happened that night. Who is this? No more lies. Tell me what happened that night.
You deserve the truth. 6 years ago, I made one decision that changed all our lives. Lily's mother and I were never married. We were just two young people who made mistakes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I was afraid of losing you. I never had the courage to read this.
Then we'll read it together. This can't be true. She knew everything. She never hated you. She was trying to protect someone.
Protect who?
I think she was protecting Lily. What are you looking for?
Something I should have found years ago.
This changes everything.
Daddy, why are you both crying?